Welcome to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. Today we are going to discuss Binance listing for Pi network. We are going to go through some posts to see what pioneers are saying. Now here we have altcoin news and they say Pi network Binance listing talks spark outrage. Pioneers says no. We can see here we have a logo for Pi Network. This was 17 hours ago, and we can go through the posts. A recent poll by Pi Network community account on X asked, "Do you want to see Pi listed on Binance?" Majority of users said no to the idea. Many of them said the network isn't ready for a listing and that some serious problems need to be fixed first. Do you want to see a Pi listed on Binance? Choose A or B. Honest answers. And you can say uh, users say one of the biggest issues that has to be solved before the Binance listing is the KYC process. KYC, which is know your customer, is needed to verify users' identities and unlock their tokens. But the system is broken. Some users say they've been waiting for years, but still haven't passed the KYC even though they completed the steps. One said, "No, until my KYC gets approved, still waiting for months and counting." The issue comes from a bug in the system where even if a person completes KYC, their Pi stays locked if others in their security cycle do not pass too. This system needs multiple people to approve a KYC request. However, not enough users are joining the Pi validation program, so the process gets stuck. Some people even think Pi network might be doing this on the purpose to keep tokens locked. One user said they got muted by moderators after questioning the delay. Other users are also upset that their tokens were locked warning, were locked without warning or lost because they missed a deadline. One user said he lost 2,500 Pi coins. There are also concerns about the wallet. Some users say that the wallet system needs an upgrade. They have reported that the Pi coins balance are not loading after the mainnet migration. The Pi network team gave users until March 14, 2025 to finish KYC and move their token to the mainnet. If not, they lose access to their Pi. The price of the Pi has dropped over 10% in last week and now trades at 65 cents according to the coin market cap. On the other hand, other users who are done with the KYC are furious that new coins like Bondex are getting listed on Binance, but Bitcoin is still not considered. Yes, that was the post I wanted to go through. We can still check on another post here on Binance Square and see for sure many pioneers are worried about the Pi listing on Binance and would spike the price for Pi if listed because Binance has so many people who will be trading this coin, and as the usability of the coin goes up, obviously the price will be good. So let's check on breaking by Ashwada. Breaking Pi network. Pi network Binance listing stocks spark outrage. Pioneers are speaking out. It's too early. Many believe Pi is not ready for centralized exchange listing yet. Community demands clarity before going public. What's your take? List it or wait? Yes, we can see the photo here with Binance, a rocket for Pi networks. He wrote something different from Pi network and say Pi networks. Pi endorse drama, whatever. Okay, let's go to another post. You can check on the latest concerning Pi. We are only interested with Pi. Huge announcement for the Pi network community. After years of dedication, development, and anticipation, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Pi network is ready for Pi today. Yes, you can see the post. Big announcement Pi today, June 28, 2025. Mainnet migration and listing incoming. The Pi community wait is almost over. For this day, I saw on PyScan somewhere that it will be a day that very many coins will be migrated. On this day, we can still check on the unlocked. We check on the Pi statistics, PyScan migration statistics, and we go to unlocking. Sorry, this is can check on the unlocking June 28th. File unlocks 30 days. You can go here and see that by June 28th, we shall have unlocked Pi. That will be 11 million. June 28th. This is exactly the same date this post is reading, and we expect that it will be a big day for us because we still have some other days here with higher amount than June 28th. You can see on 18th June, unlocked will be 15.5 million, and we have 16, 17 with 10 points something millions, which will migrate. And on 11th, that is 6 days from now, we shall have 13 million that will be migrated, will be unlocked. So highest day so far, which had the highest amount of Pi unlocked, was this one, June 18th. June 18th will be the day with the highest unlocking, 15.5. June 18. So can check here. June 18. Don't know why the figures are differing. This is PyScan, and you can say it is yes, it is 15.546. The figure is exactly the same. This is the day that highest amount will be unlocked. So let's go continue with the post. Pi. The Pi network becomes a giant in the world of cryptocurrencies, solidifying its position on firm foundations and advancing step by step. Most currencies trading platforms have already adopted this network, and it is expected to see widespread adoption as its reliance increases in decentralized trading platforms that provide protection. Yes, you can see the image with some birds, logo for Pi. Okay. You can see the same. Many believe Pi is not ready for centralized exchange listing yet. Yes, the same post we had read. Pi Network, the silent giant, is waking up. The world is watching as Pi Network move closer to mainnet open and early believers might finally be rewarded. Still in enclosed mainnet. KYC ongoing. Mainnet migration in the process. Listing rumors stronger than ever. After years of building one of the largest crypto communities in history, 50 million users, millions mining daily. The question is no longer if, but when. Where Pi could explode. Zero energy mining, mass adoption. Real utility, marketplaces, apps and payments, global army of believers ready to use and hold, mainnet launch, potential listing of Binance, KuCoin, and more. Smart money isn't ignoring Pi anymore. Once it hits exchanges, supply will be tight and demand could go well. If you have mind Pi, hold tight. If you are new, watch this space. Right? Pi Network wants to make crypto as simple as cash, and 6 million people are already in. So we are going to stop there. This is the comments concerning the Pi listing on Binance. Please hit the subscribe button, like the video, ask any question in the comment section, and hit the bell button not to miss any video as we wait for Pi to skyrocket. We don't sell now, and we encourage even those who can start to come in and start mining. My invitation code is on the description. Please make sure you register and use my invitation code. Stay blessed and welcome as we wait for the next video. Bye bye now.